and I live on these caves, geckos and snakes. Wow, look at that. It is too big. Wow, those are crabs. That is a big crab there. It's going deep in. I need to look for... Oh man. Need to get ourselves a stick. Wow, what the fuck? Those are big crabs. In mangrove forest. Today I'm in mangrove. This is a dying forest. A dying mangrove forest. This is a dying forest. Automatically it is dying. There are too many here. Shells of snakes. Guys, I'm not in this water. Blinding. What can I do? How do I want to meet crocodiles? I was walking inside the river. I don't want to meet with the crocodile inside there. And up here, I need to be very careful. Very careful not to meet a green mamba. Because according to my research, green mamba find here. This is too green for me to go in. No water. Also, these things are walking. So they walk. Look at these ones. These ones are walking. All of them are walking. They have a life. So they have a life. This one have a life. Hello. All of them have a life. This is Congo River in Africa. I want to cross, I don't know. Oh, this one are dead. Oh, I'm looking for food. No, I don't have a car. That is the end of that road for me. Wow, this is a dry land. It's like someone cut the tree in this forest. Whoever cut these trees, shame on you. Shame on you for cutting trees on this river. These are dead trees now. Look at that. Oh, the river is dead. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All my imagination already achieved. Mangrove forest. Have enjoyed mangrove forest. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. There's big crabs around here. I can get some crabs around here. Crabs, big one. So I need to be very quiet, but also I need to be very careful. It's a small crab. Oh, the crabs have taken these houses. These ones. You see those red? Those are crabs. They've taken those houses. You need to be very, very careful not to end up bitten. Now you can see the waters of the ocean. Oh, somebody has touched, somebody's catch a fish. I'm going to see that. Ooh. See, somebody. Whoa. Yo, this is a fish. Oh, I never knew that is how people do it. So this is a fish from the river. This fish has some, it just injured me. Ooh, nice one. Oh, not very small. I get it. Ooh. One fish down again. We just get a fish. Oof. The dinner is going to be fine for me. Wow, crab. Big crab. Mud crab. Oh, it is running, it is running, it is running, it is running. Mud crab. You see? There. There it is going. It is in. That one is big. Why is it not in the water? Why do this crab not stay in the water? Food. That is food. Oh shit, I lost that one. I'm gonna sleep hungry because of that. You can see the sunset on this river. It's amazing. I have caves to sleep in. These are caves to sleep in and net to catch. Yeah, these are good caves to sleep in. Yeah, so this is a good cave.